Welcome back. We're in the kitchen today because our Discord group has become very passionate about the Mandalorian. And they had a very good suggestion that they wanted us to try out. Today, we're going to be making the frog eggs from the Mandalorian. But ours are going to be a little bit different than the ones that Baby Yoda ate. Ours are going to be made out of Jello and vodka. After looking at some reference images, we noticed that the eggs themselves were actually just two spheres. An inner red sphere and an outer orange sphere. And it was floating inside of a mystery blue fluid. We're going to construct ours very similar to that. We're going to be using raspberry Jello to make the inner sphere, orange Jello to make the outer sphere, and they're going to be swimming in a Blue Lagoon cocktail. To make the spheres, we got two different kinds of molds. A smaller mold for the raspberry inner circles, and a bigger mold to put the smaller raspberry spheres inside of. So we're just going to try to get started. We're going to mix up the red Jello, get those all out of the way, get those ready and made, and then we're going to mix up half of the orange and only fill up the bottoms of the spheres. Once the orange Jello is done, we will put the orange spheres in and fill the rest up with Jellos and have a full sphere. So let's get started. So we're just following the directions on the back of the Jello box, but instead of using 2 cups of cold water, we're using 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of vodka. Just enough. There it goes. Whew! Okay. First thing we need to do is open these up to see if they even worked. Well, nope. They all split directly in half. I wonder if we needed to like Pam it or something.
Oh yeah. If they sit together, then you would never know.
And I mean, really though, they are kind of just like eggs.
Yeah.
I think the more weird they look, probably the better off they'll be. Well, here goes nothing.
They're pretty chilled.
It's pretty hot.
I don't want to melt this stuff.
I mean, they don't look bad at all. So now that we have our eggs done, we're going to basically just be making a Blue Lagoon and put the eggs in there. So to make our Blue Lagoon, we have some lemonade, Blue Curaçao, add vodka. Now, normally a Blue Lagoon is a lot of alcohol to a little bit of lemonade, but because it's just Turi and myself, and we're not looking to get smashed every night on Yoda eggs, we're gonna lighten this up a little bit. Yeah, that's real blue. I mean, we could fill the rest up with, like, just lemonade.
I think we need more lemonade.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Now we're gonna put these little eggs in. So this is super funny. It worked better than I think we expected.
For the first try, for sure.
Yeah, I think the only thing that can make this better is if we could figure out a way to make the eggs float, but they're Jello and they're gonna sink in water. So it took about 2 days to make an egg, which if you're planning ahead for a party, probably worth doing. If you're not, it's not gonna be able to happen. But this is super fun. Cheers. Yeah, it's really good. It's such a big egg.
Oh my god. Yeah,
It's
I don't know.
Can you drink it?
I mean, I...
Bless you.
Probably. Those are pretty good.